Just another react.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell by the title, today we are doing another wig install, and this time it's this orangish ginger wig from Hermosa. I've never gotten hair from them before. This was my first time buying hair from them, and my first impressions are really good. I just want to first show y'all like the packaging and just talk a little bit about the hair, and then y'all are gonna watch me install it. But first off, it came in this little orange bag that I just showed y'all, and inside it has some wig caps. That's always nice. Some lashes, which I have not opened at all, but these are kind of cute, and an elastic band for the back if you want to attach that. And that's all that came in there, but I like this bag. It's cute, nice and silky, and I can store the wig in here after. But yeah, I just want to talk a little bit about the hair. So this hair is a 24-inch body wave frontal wig, and it came this color. I didn't dye it, I didn't color it. It came like this. I wanted to buy something already colored because I knew I wanted to do this color, but I was just like, I don't want to dye it myself. So I searched for a place that already had this color, and they had it, and I like it. First impressions, like I said, the color is nice. The only thing I would say is I don't know what density I got, but I feel like the hair is just a little bit too thin. Like, it's not too bad, but if it sheds, it's gonna be over with. I'm just trying to like look at it and like see, because it's just a little bit thin, and I feel like you could tell on camera that it's not that thick, and it's not that big of a deal because the hair is still cute. But that's just like that could have also been my fault. I don't remember what density I got, so yeah, it'll be linked in the description box. But yeah, that's the only thing I have to say about this hair. As y'all can see, I had like some issues installing it because I didn't like it for like a hot second, and I was about to have a whole meltdown. But no, it came out cute, and I like it so far. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this in, but we'll see. And I'm gonna post later on like an actual review of the hair once I wear it for like a longer period of time, because I just installed it, so I don't have much to say, but I am gonna do a real review of it. But yeah, that's all I have to say right now. If you want to see how I installed this, definitely just keep watching the video. Give this video a like before you even continue, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll just get into it. Alright, so we're just gonna get into it, and here is the wig. As y'all can see, I'm starting off with just a regular cap that I put makeup on, and I put a little makeup inside the wig as well. So here you just see me putting on the wig. I'm just filling it, placing it where I want it to be, making sure everything's good. And yeah. So now I'm just going to start cutting like my sideburns out or whatever. And this wig fit pretty well, so I didn't have to cut that much. And now I'm just going to start gluing it down, and I don't really use glue like that. I usually just use this yellow bottle of Got To Be and the black one, as y'all can see. So I just did 2 layers of each, let it dry, and I started placing it where I wanted it to be on my forehead. Combed it in with a comb just to make sure that it's really getting in there. And then I went in with some Got2b on the top as well and combed it in again just to make sure that it's extra secure. And then I just went in with this elastic band to lay my lace, and yeah. So at this point I started parting it, and I wanted a middle part, so I just went ahead and did that. And y'all, I didn't fully braid my hair underneath. I literally just threw all my hair back in a ponytail, so it was kind of puffy and not as flat as I would have liked it to be if I would have did like a braid down or whatever. But yeah, was kind of making me mad, and at this point I was like, dang, I should have just braided my hair. But yeah, I started hot combing it down to get it flat, and I was like debating if I wanted to do a side part or not, because I was like, oh my gosh, do I have a helmet head? But yeah, so once that finished, I just took the elastic band off, started parting my hair again, just defining it. And then I took my scissors, cut down the middle so that I can start cutting my lace off into pieces. And then I took a little eyebrow razor and finished cutting the lace. And I do recommend using an eyebrow razor because it gives you jagged lines rather than just a straight line, and that makes your wig look very unrealistic. So then I started parting my little edges. I always do like 2 and 2, so I parted those out, and then I went in with some mousse just to separate my edges from the hair. And then I went in again with the eyebrow razor and just started cutting my edges. Then I went back in with more mousse to lay them. And I forgot to flat iron these, because you know how the girls, they flat iron their edges before they lay them to give them like that curled look. I always tell myself I'm gonna do it and I never do it. So all I did was use mousse. And I went back in with some Got2b just to make sure that the lace is secure and just to melt it a little bit more. And then put my elastic band back on to melt it even further. And now, at this point, I wanted to put some layers in my, well, not layers, but yeah, layers in the front. And as you can see, that side went well, but then the other side messed all the way up. And I was like, you know what? Let's put the scissors down. And I gave up. Because y'all see how crazy that looks? I don't know who I thought I was, thinking I was about to put some layers in here, but yeah. I was like, you know what? Let it go. No layers. We might revisit it, but yeah. Then I just started flat ironing the hair because I just wanted a bone straight look. I didn't want any curls. I just wanted it straight, so you're just gonna see me doing that. And here is where I was like, you know what? Let me just do a side part because the middle part is giving helmet. And yeah, I just continued flat ironing and doing it with the side part. And y'all, while I was making this video, I was getting so frustrated because I thought it was so ugly. Like when I was in the mirror, I was like, oh my gosh, I look like Chucky. I look like helmet head. Like it's not as flat as I need it to be. This is just not cute. But looking back at it, it wasn't even that bad. Like it looked fine. But that day, I don't know what was going on with me. I was looking in the mirror like, no, the orange is a fail. Just let it go. But looking back at it, it was fine.
So yeah, once I took the elastic band off, this is what it looked like, and honestly it was cute in a side part, but even looking at that I was like, you know what, let's go back to the middle part. And so here's what it looks like when I fully finished. I put the middle part back and I thought it looked cute at that point. And then I went in with my wax stick just to further flatten everything, and I think that helped a lot with making it flat since I didn't braid my hair back. But yeah, it came out really cute, and this was the end result. I really ended up liking it, and I hope you guys did too. Definitely give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.